In the world of politics, tensions can sometimes escalate to dangerous levels. Today we delve into an incident that has sent shockwaves through the political landscape. An incident that unfolded in broad daylight, where a fervent supporter of opposition leader Nelson Chamisa, Madzibaba Veshanduko, was assaulted while trying to protect a fellow supporter during a public gathering. Known by his religious moniker, but whose real name is Godfrey Karembera, he reported the incident from Mavuku police station, where he sought refuge and filed a complaint. The story begins with a heated exchange during a public gathering, where Cheza, another prominent supporter of Chamisa, was reportedly slapped by unidentified assailants. Karembera, in an attempt to shield Cheza, found himself the target of a sudden and brutal attack. Eyewitnesses at the scene painted a picture of chaos, with several individuals attacking Karembera, who is well known in the community for his peaceful activism and his distinctive red robe. The police have begun an investigation into the incident, taking statements and initiating a search for the assailants. This attack on Karembera is a stark reminder of the increasing tension and violence seen in political gatherings in recent times. This incident raises serious concerns about safety during political engagements and the apparent targeting of opposition figures and their supporters. Human rights organizations and political analysts are calling for calm and a thorough investigation into the incident. They urge swift action to ensure those responsible are held accountable. Our democratic process is under threat by such acts of violence, and immediate measures need to be taken to prevent further escalation. As the situation unfolds, the community and supporters of Chamisa are rallying on social media and other platforms, condemning the attack and calling for peace and respect for democratic rights. The police, meanwhile, have assured the public that they are doing everything possible to bring the perpetrators to justice. Currently, Madzibaba Veshanduko is receiving medical attention for injuries sustained during the assault. The incident has sparked widespread condemnation from across the political spectrum, emphasizing the undeniable need for tolerance and peace in the lead-up to more heated political engagements expected in the coming months. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers that lurk in the shadows of political discourse. It underlines the importance of maintaining peace and respect for democratic rights. As we move forward, it is essential that such acts of violence are met with swift justice, ensuring a safer environment for political enthusiasts and the public alike.